Today again for my video I'm going to be using my ebook. My book. This is the book, but I have it also as an ebook. In the description I will leave a link from where you can buy it. It costs only €2 and I will send it to you via email. You can also find it on Amazon if you write the name of the book. Speaking Maltese, a guide to embrace the melodies of the island. You will find it also on Amazon. You will buy it as a book, but I can send it to you as an ebook via email. And as I told you, it costs only €2. Today, we're going to speak about adverbs. As I told you, I will be using my ebook and we will talk about adverbs. You can find it in chapter 9. Here's an overview of adverbs in Maltese, which are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, providing more information about how, when, where, or to what degree an action or quality is performed. So, we're going to start with adverbs of manners. So, the adverbs of manner are adverbs that describe how an action is performed. So, here we have it in English, here we have it in Maltese. Slowly, in Maltese we say bil-mod. These are adverbs of manner. These I'm saying. Quickly means malajr. In Maltese we say malajr. Quickly. Carefully, b'attenzjoni. B'attenzjoni. Well, in Maltese we say tajjeb. Tajjeb. Badly, in Maltese we say ħażin. Ħażin. As you can see, the Z has a dot on it. That is a Z. But then we have another one like this without a dot. That is a ts. So without a dot, it's ts. With a dot on it, it's a z. So ħażin. Now, we also have the adverbs of time. So the adverbs of time are adverbs that indicate when an action takes place. So, today, in Maltese we say illum. Illum. Tomorrow. In Maltese we say għada. Għada. As you can see, the word għada begins with an ein. This, when you have a G and an H near each other, that's an ein. And at the beginning of a word, it's silent. So għada. Yesterday. We say in Maltese il-bieraħ. Il-bieraħ. Now, in Maltese we say issa. Issa. Later, in Maltese we say aktar tard. Aktar tard. So these were the adverbs of time. Then we have adverbs of place. And the adverbs of place are adverbs that indicate where an action takes place. Here, in Maltese, we say hawn. Now, as you can see, the H, I'm not pronouncing it, I'm only saying hawn. Hawn. This is an akka, this is not a h in Maltese. When we have a h, here you have two lines, but since we have one line, as you can see, we have one line, that's an akka. And the akka at the beginning of a word, it's almost always silent. Only a few times it's not silent, but here the akka is silent, so hawn. There we say M, as you can see, the H, it has only one line, so that's an akka, so it's silent. M. Everywhere. Kullimkien. kull imkien. Nowhere, imkien, imkien. Then we have the adverbs of frequency. And the adverbs of frequency are adverbs that express how often an action occurs. For example, we have always. In Maltese, we say dejjem, dejjem. Often. In Maltese, we say spiss, spiss. Sometimes. In Maltese, we say kultant, kultant. Rarely. In Maltese, we say rari, rari. Never. In Maltese, we say at, at. So those were the adverbs of frequency. Then we have the adverbs of degree. And the adverbs of degree are adverbs that modify the intensity or degree of an action or quality. We have very, ħafna. So now as you can see, first here we had akka because it has only one line here, so that was silent. Now this time we have ħafna, as you can see. I'm pronouncing the х, because it has two lines, so that is a х, not an akka, so it is pronounced ħafna. Two. In Maltese we say ukoll, ukoll. Quite, quite. In Maltese we say pjuttost, pjuttost. Almost. In Maltese we say quasi, quasi. Absolutely. In Maltese we say assolutament, assolutament. Now, we have the interrogative adverbs. And the interrogative adverbs are adverbs used to ask questions about various aspects. For example, we have where. In Maltese, we say fejn, fejn. When. In Maltese, we say meta, meta. How. We say kif, kif. Why. In Maltese we say għaliex, għaliex. How much. In Maltese we say kemm, kemm. So those were the interrogative adverbs. Now, we also have the relative adverbs. Relative adverbs are adverbs that introduce relative clauses. So, we have where, that is fejn in Maltese, fejn. When, that is meta, meta in Maltese. Why, and that is għaliex, għaliex. Remember that adverbs can be versatile and are an essential part of enriching your language expression. Maltese, like many languages, can have its own unique set of adverbs, so exploring and practicing with various sentences will help you grasp their usage more effectively. So, today, we made a video about adverbs, and as I told you, I used my ebook, Speaking Maltese, a guide to embrace the melodies of the island. Hope that you found this video useful. For more videos, go to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe please. And you will find many videos about the Maltese language. I also have another book in Maltese. I will leave a link in the description of the other book that I have in Maltese. Bye for now.